Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we dissect the latest gadgets to help you make informed decisions.
Today, we've got something special on our hands, the Garmin Forerunner 165. Let's dive right in.
The Garmin Forerunner 165 is making waves in the world of running watches, offering a compelling mix of features at a more accessible price point. But does it live up to the hype?
Let's find out. First off, let's talk design.
The Forerunner 165 sports a familiar Garmin aesthetic, with a sleek and lightweight profile that's comfortable on the wrist. The 1.2-inch AMOLED touchscreen display is vibrant and easy to read, making it a breeze to check your stats mid-run. While it may lack some of the premium materials found in higher-end models, such as Gorilla Glass, the Forerunner 165 doesn't feel cheap by any means.
Its plastic and silicone construction strikes a balance between durability and comfort. Now, let's talk features.
The Forerunner 165 packs a punch with a host of training tools that cater to both novice and seasoned runners alike.
From wrist-based running power to the handy morning report feature, this watch is designed to help you maximize your performance.
One notable omission is the lack of multi-band GPS, which may disappoint some users looking for pinpoint accuracy. However, for the majority of runners, the Forerunner 165's GPS capabilities should suffice. Battery life is another area where the Forerunner 165 shines, boasting an impressive 13 days of usage on a single charge. Whether you're tackling a marathon or just hitting the trails for a quick jog, this watch has you covered.
And let's not forget about music. While the standard model offers ample storage for your workouts,
the music version allows you to stream your favorite tunes directly from the watch, with no phone required. So, what's the verdict? With a robust set of features, comfortable design, and attractive price point, it's a solid choice for runners of all levels.
Closing scene. On-screen text displaying "Thanks for watching."
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews. That's all for today, folks.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, happy running!